Well, they say necessity's the mother of invention. I say boredom is the mother of insanity. I got bored, revisiting an old project. This is why I never have bench clearing sales like everybody else. Never know when you're gonna need junk to pile on top of junk to make something that's not exactly junk. I like the stance on this thing a lot better. What's so special about it? Well, what is it? Trail truck? Rock crawler? Monster truck with all that ground clearance? All that droop? Huh. Yeah, let's say, yeah. I think it's all three. What makes it special? Well, this is the front, but what do you think about that? Crab crawl, 4-wheel steer, rear wheel steer. It's based on a Gen 7. It's a Gen 7 frame, Gen 7 axles, and Gen 7 transmission. And that's about all Gen 7 about it. It's a mashup of a little bit of everything. I ended up with all-in-one ESC out of a new 4-wheel steer Capra. So that's the electronics. It's got the 35T Horizon motor and all the electronics out of the 4-wheel steer Capra. Got 35 kg waterproof servos mounted on the axle, front and rear, matching. The droop on that thing. Just love the dead stance it's got. I had 3 or 4 pairs of just junk shocks that on their own weren't worth anything. The shocks that were on this were stiffer than the board and had this thing up like that with no give, top heavy as it could be. Whole lot happier with it now. I'll say this for it, it's fun, and it gets itself out of anything. I mean, with the crab crawl, you can ride it. It does a decent job of crawling. You can see there, it's got a good amount of modulation. Normal crawler, that's all you're gonna do is sit there and spin your wheels. This one, cock the wheels the same direction and gun it, which I just didn't do a very good job of. Right up on its wheels. Gotta love it. Hope y'all enjoy my insight to insanity. Have a great day.